Hey guys, today is like 6th, today is like 7th October, and I'm just gonna share the update about 6th September, 6th October. I came very late, 3 a.m. and I didn't have energy to shoot the video, and I think I'm gonna continue shooting video every day, like after the day ends, and not like the next day. But yesterday I went out. I was not feeling like doing opens. Then I did one, then I did one, then I did one, and I think on second or third it was inserted for like few hours. Then did few more. It didn't went there, but it's like part of the process. It's like baking the cake. Like if you wanna bake the cake, you have to first give it a try. You just have to get all the accessories done, and then it's gonna be done. So it's kind of like that, and it was actually good. Actually, I just went out, so I don't have much. Like I'm just building my energy, but it's kind of like that, and it's kind of raining here. I was planning to go to like 7-Eleven, just get something and then go, but no worries. So what I have learned so far is that I mean, for start, like I just learned this from this silence video that you gotta have like super safe. You gotta feel like super safe in yourself. Otherwise, you should believe in a God that like there's someone who will take care of you. And I think that helped me a lot to just start and do just start opening sites, something like that. And I also believe there is this game God who is with me. And like yesterday, I just kind of like I'm like done with it. I just do every day, so just like let's just fucking go for it, and that helped me a lot. But that distinction between either you feel like either you feel super safe with yourself that I'm gonna fight, I'm gonna do anything. Either it's there, or either you believe in God, or it can be both of it also. If you are both of it, then you will feel like you can do anything with that energy as like with that energy. So that's about it. And then I also realized that on the sets I have to like little bit of sexualize just to keep my attention over there. So I did that, and I just look at the set. I just feel like how I would fuck the set. Like that's what I would do, and that kind of gives something. Like sometimes you feel the haze, but if you just do that, then it kind of feels good, and that's about it. I think this video. I'm just gonna end. I'm just gonna have it for one more minute, and then I'm gonna end. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go and go to the mall and just do again like whatever I have doing like so far. But I think that thing that when you like feel like I just had a call from my coach about like the emotional thing that I'm doing, and if you're gonna feel so much safe with yourself, you have to accept all the things could go wrong within yourself. Like for example, you can get beaten up, you can get anything. So you have to accept that. You have to accept the reality, not a delusion, but a reality. Once you accept that, then you're like it's like. Like looking at this bottle, you don't feel anything, like, or looking at any object, and you don't feel anything in that. So when you have that feeling with, for example, rejection, or when someone goes off, or when opening, then you can just do that without any effort. Like you don't have to react, you just doing your job. And that was very nice bit. That I'm not able to explain much, but I'll just do it. But it's like a very zen thing that I just learned, and I'm not able to explain it well, but I think the people who get it will get it. And yeah, I'm just gonna end now. I think I'll just end the video right at this point. I hope you like this. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.